In today's video, we're going to be comparing Canva and Kittl and help you figure out which graphic design platform is best for entrepreneurs. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to choose a tool for creating graphics, whether that's social media posts, marketing materials, or your brand assets, this video is for you. Both Canva and Kittl are strong platforms, but they're built very differently. By the end of the video, you'll know what each does well, where they might fall short, and which makes the most sense for your needs as a business owner. Let's start off with a quick overview of the two platforms. So Canva is one of the most popular design tools in the world. It's an online graphic design platform that uses a drag and drop editor and offers thousands of templates across every category you can imagine. It has grown tremendously over the years and is especially known for being beginner friendly. With Canva, you can create social posts, presentations, printables, product mockups, marketing graphics, almost anything you need to support your brand visually. Kittl is a newer player in the design space, but it has really made a name for itself by leaning more into creative artistry, typography, and vector graphics. It also offers templates and design tools, but it tends to provide more control over text effects, creative layouts, and stylized templates. Where Canva focuses on broad accessibility, Kittl positions itself more toward users who want to stand out with designs that really feel less generic and more artistic. Now, let's go ahead and dive into the key features and compare the two. Canva's strength has always been its enormous template library. Whether you need a Facebook ad, a business card, or a YouTube thumbnail, even a resume, Canva probably has a template ready to go. The variety is one of its biggest selling points, and for entrepreneurs who need to move quickly, it means you can start from a polished base instead of a blank canvas. Kittl, on the other hand, has a smaller library of templates, but what it lacks in volume, it really makes up for in uniqueness. Many of Kittl's templates lean heavily into creative typography, vintage poster designs, or layouts that feel distinct from the more cookie-cutter templates you might see elsewhere. If you're a business owner who wants your graphics to stand out from the crowd, Kittl's more stylized starting points might be appealing. Next is customization and creative effects. So Canva allows you to customize fonts, colors, and layouts very easily. It also includes features like background remover, filter gradients, and some basic text effects. These tools make it possible for anyone, even someone with no design experience, to create something professional looking in minutes. Kittl, however, gives you more advanced options in this category. It shines with its text effects and vector-based editing tools. For example, you can curve and warp text and layer shadows or apply textures that give your designs more depth. These kind of effects make Kittl especially useful for merchandise, branding, or any design where typography is central. If you're designing logos, posters, or apparel graphics, you may find that Kittl gives you more flexibility than Canva. Next is ease of use. Ease of use is where Canva has always excelled. The interface is clean, intuitive, and designed so that even complete beginners can log in, choose a template, and have a polished design ready in a few minutes. The simplicity is one of the reasons Canva has become such a dominant software in the design space. Kittl is also relatively easy to use, but because it includes more creative depth, there is a small learning curve if you want to take advantage of everything it offers. You can still drag and drop elements, but if you want to use advanced text effects or dive into vector customizations, it might take a little bit of time to get comfortable. Next is assets and libraries. So Canva's asset library is massive. It includes stock photos, illustrations, icons, and even videos that you can add to your designs. For most entrepreneurs, this means you'll rarely have to go searching elsewhere for the basics. Canva also integrates with many third-party tools, which makes it even easier to import content or connect with apps you already use. Kittl's library is definitely smaller, but it tends to focus more on stylized vector art and creative asset packs. The elements you'll find in Kittl often feel less stocky and more original. If you care about making your visuals stand out and you want design elements that don't look like the same assets everyone else is using, Kittl's approach can really be refreshing. Next is export options. When it comes to output, Canva allows you to export in multiple formats such as PNG, JPEG, PDF, and even video. These options are more than enough for most online uses like social media blogs or marketing campaigns. Kittl also supports these common formats, but it has an edge when it comes to vector output. With Kittl, you can export designs as SVG files. This is a big deal if you're working on designs that need to scale, like logos or print products, because SVG files don't lose quality no matter how large you make them. For entrepreneurs who plan to sell merchandise or need designs for both digital and print, Kittl's export options options really do add extra value. Now let's dive into some of the pros and cons of each, starting with Canva. The biggest advantage of Canva is its massive template library and beginner-friendly interface. Entrepreneurs can quickly create designs for virtually any purpose without needing design experience. It also has a strong ecosystem of integration and an enormous free asset library. Canva is versatile and works really well for everything from social posts and presentations to content, graphics, and product mockups. The downsides of Canva are that its designs can sometimes look pretty generic because so many people are using the same templates. It also has limits when it comes to advanced creative effects or vector control. The free plan does restrict export sizes, asset access, and sometimes applies watermarks. And if you want to do highly unique or stylized work, Canva eventually will probably feel limiting. Now on to Kittl. So the strengths of Kittl lie in its creative tools around typography and vector design. It allows users to make graphics that stand out with more control over text effect and layered designs. The asset packs are often more stylized and artistic than Canva's, which really helps when you want distinct visuals. The ability to export SVG files adds a professional edge for print or merchandise projects. Overall, Kittl provides more of a designer-like experience without requiring the complexity of professional software like Illustrator. The trade-offs are that Kittl has a much smaller template library, so you may not always find the exact format you need. The advanced features also come with a slightly steeper learning curve compared to Canva's simplicity. Also, pricing can add up if you need access to premium assets or higher tier features. And because Kittl has fewer outside integrations, it's not as deeply embedded in other workflows as Canva is. Now, who is best for each? So Canva is the best choice if you're just starting out and need to produce a lot of graphics quickly. If your main goal is speed and efficiency, Canva is hard to beat. It's especially good for entrepreneurs who have minimal design experience and want a tool that doesn't feel overwhelming. It also works well if you're part of a team and need to collaborate on designs because Canva includes brand kits and team features. If you need one tool that can cover most use cases like social posts, presentations, product images, and more, Canva is definitely the safer bet. Kittl, on the other hand, is better if your priority is creative control and unique branding. If you want your visuals to stand out from the crowd, Kittl's typography effects and vector tools will serve you well. It's also the stronger option if you're doing print design, merchandise, or anything that requires a scalable vector graphic. Entrepreneurs who care about creative experimentation, artistic flair, or developing a distinct brand style will likely find Kittl as a more inspiring platform. Let's go over the pricing of each and do a little walkthrough. If you want to get started with Canva, we do have a link down below. You can get access to a 30-day free trial on the pro plans. So they've got a free plan, and with the free plan, you can do a lot, but you're probably going to run out of storage and you're not going to have access to the magic tools, and there's just not as many templates, but it is a great starting point. They still have a bunch of templates you can use, and you can use the drag and drop editor, but you are just limited on things, like I said, where all of the templates, you'll get access to more graphics with the pro plan, background remove. They have a bunch of magic tools as well, and you get more storage. The Canva Pro plan is $120 per year for one person. Next is the Canva Teams, which is $100 per year per person, and you have to start with a minimum of 3 people. So you get everything in the Pro plan, but you also get things like brand consistency with approvals, and you can centralize all of your assets. You can collaborate with your team in real time. There's also AI admin tools and even more. Then they do have an enterprise plan, but you do have to contact them directly. This is to centrally manage multiple teams and brands. If you want single sign-on, if you want control access to Canva's content and templates, and custom apps and integrations. So you can just book a demo or contact sales directly. But you can get started with the free trial of the Pro and the Teams plan if you're interested by using our link down below. Now for Kittl's pricing. They also do have a free plan, so you get access to 5 projects, access to professional templates, 100 AI images, and 1 million photos, graphics, fonts, etc. Then they have the Pro plan, which is $10 per month if you pay yearly, or $15 per month if you pay monthly. With this, you get 50 projects, full access to editing tools, 10,000 premium templates, more file storage, and even a commercial license to sell your designs. Then they've got the expert plan. So with this plan, it's $24 per month, billed yearly. With this, you get everything in the pro plan, but you get unlimited projects, you get 10 plus AI design tools, print on demand presets, even more storage, and again, you still get that commercial license for resale. Then they've got the business plan, which is $65 per month, billed yearly, and that is per editor. All of these are. You get everything in the expert plan, but you get extended commercial license, up to 6,000 monthly AI images, advanced security, and even more storage. If you want to check out any of these, we do have a link down in the description below. Once you are signed up, this is the Canva Pro plan. So just to kind of walk you through it, you can go ahead and create brand kits. Again, since this is on the Pro plan, not all of this is on the free plan. Brand kits are not. You have all your projects, your templates, Canva AI, and then some other apps. To create anything, you can search a template or you can create from blank. And now look at all these templates you can choose from. So you can click on one, you just customize design, and you can completely edit all of this to be your own. You can customize the colors, the fonts, you can remove the background on images. There is just so much that you can do. I've used Canva for years, so I have so much in here. I personally love Canva so much, and I use it pretty much every single day. Now for Kittl, this is the free plan. As you can see, you've got your home, you've got recent shared projects, templates, graphics, likes, etc. To create a new project, you'll click add new project. So here you can see they have an artboard. You also can do mock-ups, kind of like we talked about, just so you can see what that looks like if you're doing shirts or cups or anything like that. Over here, they've got popular stuff over here if you want to do logos, hats. So you're kind of starting a bit more from scratch. They do have templates, of course, but here you can add titles really easily. You can add lines and shapes and banners, pretty similar to Canva in that way. They've also got photos. Again, I definitely feel like Kittl is a little more artistic with it, whereas Canva is a little more out of the box and templates. I've used both of them and they are both great. So after considering all the features, pros and cons, and pricing, here's the bottom line. If your priority is speed, ease of use, and having one platform that covers almost every design need, Canva is definitely the better choice. It will serve you well if your main tasks are social graphics, content visuals, or marketing materials, and you want to create them without stress. On the other hand, if your priority is uniqueness, creative branding, and designs that look less like everyone else's, Kittl is definitely worth considering. It's also the stronger option if you plan to do print, merchandise, or any work where scalable vector graphics really matter to you. Kittl gives you more creative freedom while still being accessible. I know how overwhelming it can feel trying to choose the right graphic tool when every option looks good in the ads. For first timers, what matters most is getting something done consistently. You can always change platforms later or upgrade as your needs grow, but starting with the right tools for your goals is going to save you time and stress. If you want to try Canva, you can even get access to the 30-day free trial with the pro plans. That link is down below, and same with Kittl. We do have a link down below and you can get started with the free plan. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials like this. This channel is dedicated to helping entrepreneurs find tools that actually work without overcomplicating your business. If you loved this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already. Also, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.